Hey guys, Tom Fontana here from TheGuitarLesson.com, and in today's riff of the day we'll be learning Beat It by Michael Jackson. And this song dates back to 1982, and it's a classic riff. It's very popular, everyone knows it. And one thing before we start, the original is actually played in an alternate tuning, in E-flat tuning, so that's where you would tune each string down by one semitone. But I'm not going to do that right now because it would take too long. I'm going to teach this to you in standard tuning. Just know that if you want to play along with the original on YouTube, for example, then you'll need to tune every string down one semitone, okay? So we're in standard tuning, and the whole riff is actually played on the E minor scale. So we'll start off with an open E. Now our second finger will pluck the third string, a third fret of the low E string. Then the first finger goes to the second fret of the A. Now our pinky reaches over to the fifth fret of the D. Then the second fret of the D. Then we're actually going to slide up to the fourth fret on the D string. You can use your ring finger or your middle finger. Then second fret. And then two plucks of the open D. But it's staccato, so you need to mute the notes either with your fretting hand or your plucking hand. So that's the first part of the riff. Let's put that together. Now the second part of the riff is exactly the same, only at the end you only have one open E. Alright, so that's basically the entire riff. Now I want you to notice that each finger is assigned to one fret, okay? So don't use one or two fingers. Use all of your fingers. You know, that pinky, it might be a stretch at first if you started playing not too long ago, but with time you'll get there. Just make sure you use your correct fingering with this one, okay? Now let's play together nice and slow. 1, 2, 3, 4. And that's our riff of the day. Have fun with it. And you know, if you like Beat It, it's actually a great song to learn. It's not hard at all. So there are only a few chords in there. But until then, practice the riff, and I'll see you in the next lesson. Bye.